Because I guess I'm in this kind of photography, and today I'm gonna do one of my project. It is video tutorial, and now it is about Spline video design. So using Spline to make each video. Next up is what is Spline. So understanding what is Spline. So here there's a short and easy explanation about Spline. Spline is a browser-based 3D design platform that's used to easily create objects, animation, and effects as a 3D. And then Spline is also popular for mobile design because it is really attractive in visuals, and also the fact that it doesn't require complex coding, maybe like Blender or any other 3D design platforms. Yeah, and the next step is the tutorial. So step by step is that you just choose what you want to make, and then open Prime and now follow what I'm doing. Yeah, so now I will make a bottle. Yeah. So first of all, let's make the shape. So there, as you can see, there's two in here. Yes. This one is a 3D, and this one is a 3D version, and this one is a 3D. Yes, so as you can see, it's all 3D, and this one is 3D. So, and here I think I want to make it. So, just make it here. I'll put it here, and then, why is it? Yeah. And then, just increase the height here a little bit. And also, as you can see, the corner, turn it 0. And then, yeah, this is the this basic one. And then, as you can see in the setting panel, there is smooth and clip. Click this one, yeah, and then you get into a more complex version of it. So, as you can see, there's some diffusion modifier, turn it to 0. And then this is the base version of it, and there's other options above. Click this one, then go to settings, and font. So if the base is Android, then change it to font. Make sure it's on font. And then there's four options here. You click this one. It's called extrude. And you must click all of the one on top. And this is so hard to get the different position. And just click this one. Yes. And then select the mode. And we have the top. First, press shift, and then like this. And then like this, still pressing the shift. Okay, so this. And then extrude again. And then add a little bit more, and then go to the middle, and put it back. Yeah, so you got the bottom. This one. And then, as you can see now, we got the base version. Yeah. Twice again. Now we must move the one in the top. Just extrude and put this one. Make sure the settings are the same. And select like Push it a little bit further. So, yeah, that's the second button. And then turn the subdivision modifier to 1. As you can see, this makes a difference. But this one, click twice again. This is the edit mode. And then choose look up. Like this. And then, as you can see in the middle, just click it. And then this option is go down and up. So this will go up like this, over, just like this. And then there's also the one here. And then push it further down. And then go in the middle again and push it down. And just like this, you just make the basic of the bottle. So it's now not like boxy again or anything, but it's not sometimes much better. No, but I think it is still kind of weird. So let's just push this one down here. Let's just say this maybe. No, I think that's a bad idea. Check this. So this is the basics, and now it comes to the texture. So you click it this one time, or twice, and then click this one, add, and this one, the options, so you drop down, and then you click the metcalf. Like this. So it will be like blue, and then you can also set the asset, which one you like. I think I like uh, this one better. I think I like this one. Yeah, this. I think just export a bit. Like this. So now it comes to the lighting first. Put this one up, and then go to the projection light. This one. So with this, if you like first, and as you can see, some points, so you still can move it now. Yes. And then you can also set the intensity also, and then size, and everything else. Just like that. Then yeah, I think it's the best taking that back to the website. And now you can color it like whatever you want. Maybe you can change this to blue color or anything else. Oh yeah, I forgot. But SmackUp make this was black. Yes, it is. So if you change the color, it would be the color of this. No, I think afterward. Yes. Yeah, and then also there's some details that really cool, and also depth. Yeah, this one is for lighting also. Yeah, so you can just go here and then remove it first, and then set it for overlay. And you can change where like it appears anything. It's like a, it's just like lighting, but yeah, overall also change the placement, the cups. So if you want it to be back on the side, maybe you can move it here, whatever. But for now, I think I won't use it because I think this one's good enough. So now let's make the cover for it, the background. Let's make it bigger. So this. Oh yeah, forgot to set the layers also. Possibly the bottom of it. No, actually, I think we'll have to put it like this. Yes, it will be the right thing. Yep, like this. So, a bit closer. Just like this. Yeah. So, also, as the color, I think I like color red better. So, we make this like this. And then, yeah, I'll go like this. Okay. And maybe this is only the design, but I'll feature the animations also. You can click another of these and add the add another cylinder. Let's make it quite big, just like this. And then you can set it to the middle of it. And this will be the yep, this. And then now you can create whatever design you want. For now, the corner of course 0 and you can edit it again. So side and this one, this one like this. So this one just makes smaller maybe. And just like this for the cap, bottle cap. I think you still have to use this modifier like this. Twice. So twice. And then the cut. Do that. And then down. Just like that. Yep. And there's the bottle cap right here. So yeah. And then we apply exactly the same thing like it with matte cap and change it to overlay and change the color to maybe the same like figures and then set the color to red. Oh, yeah, this one asset and oh, I said it however you want also. Oh, there is something wrong with this. Yeah, this one asset fusion. Is that the same one? Like that and then with this and make it maybe this little bit different color. And this is make it white. Maybe the background was blue or maybe yellow. So let's start McDonald's. Yeah, it's like this. Yeah, okay. So now we can set it to blue first. This. Oh yeah, I forgot that. First we must set the animations. The states. So yeah, so the state is the space of it, and then the state. Now we can change it to this. So that the cap is open. This is this. So this one we are also going to make the slides. This one is the normal one, and the state is okay, I'm just going to turn it over. Okay. And now we're going to make the events or the transition between the base state to state. And then maybe just mouse over transition from this state to state. And then this one is also create an events and mouse over transition from this state to state. Then now we can group it and then set it into group. Okay. Here will be this all these group sections. Yeah, this like this. This like this. This will be a small this this. This one. This how far ahead. Now we're expecting this block. Oh, why is it like this? Yeah. No, I think this one. Yeah, this is this right there. This is like this. Okay, so now if we press play, the little card will open by itself. Exactly. I think it's like that. We don't have much time for this. Thank you so much.